How to create a Cyprus company. The traditional way of creating a Cyprus company is by firstly deciding on the company name, which requires 3 to 5 working days for approval from the Cyprus Registrar of Companies. And once the name has been approved, you will also need less than 10 working days until the corporate documents and the company has been established. The issuance of the corporate documents could take an extra 3 to 5 days. Overall, within less than 20 days from the day you apply for the name of the company and the issuance of the corporate documents, you'll have everything ready and you'll be able to proceed with your Cyprus company. Again, once you have your Cyprus company created, then you will proceed with the application of the Cyprus bank account, which takes less than 10 working days following the submission to the local bank. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop me an email at kt@cyprusaccountants.com.cy or give me a call at 99428543.